Just making a video. This is one of my repeat customers' car, and I learned, like, treat them good, man. Treat them real good. And let's see. I know I put coils on this, intake manifold, valve cover gaskets. Had to, let's see, helped him out with the water pump. And flushing this coolant system is tragic. I know. I think one of the first few things I done for this guy was down there where the AC is, that pulley right there. We put a dummy pulley on it, and then going through the process of getting rid of the noise in these idlers. You know, this is a 4.6 Ford 2 valve. Gratefully fortunate it's not the 3V. I don't even know what all I've done with this car, this dude, but I've done a lot of work to it, and yeah, it's a good run. I know I gave him a little works on the battery terminals here, but yeah, it's a good car. The old Crown Vic. I'm gonna start it up because I just got done with this. I ain't even primed the fuel circuit yet. Just hooked up the battery. Turn the fan off. Turn the key forward 3 times. Gotta prime the circuit, flip it over, let's see what happens. Oh yeah. Man. She purrs now. I had to go through a miss a week ago. It was missing on this back cylinder right here. I just swapped the coil, and since I done this intake, I put it on there. Yeah, I had to replace the intake because the crummy design they got on these things. I tried to patch it with some goo and it didn't work, so we got him one for, like, I don't know how much money, but man, listen to that thing purr. You know, I'm not a big fan of the 3Vs, but I like the 2Vs, the 4.6s and so forth. Listen to that thing, man. A bit. He got him some nice rims on there. Alright. So, I don't know what else. Oh, I remember removing all the AC shit because it was locking up, and you know, money. We're not always that big on money, so we just removed the AC. I told him I know how to give him a horsepower upgrade, and we removed the AC.